Warm greetings to the gentlemen and ladies sitting over there and watching this video. This is Deepika, happily welcoming you all to Pritya Classroom. So in today's video, I'm going to share you all about 98 percentile. So basically 98 percentile is a website for teaching. Okay, so as I wanted to be a teacher, I applied for this, especially math teacher. So I applied for this at www.norky.com. So after that, what happened, I got a mail like this that I have been shortlisted for the next round. So these are the steps that I have to do as a level 1. Like, I have to select any topic in math subject, then I have to record a video of teaching, and the minimum duration should be around 5 minutes, and I should speak in English. So these are the some conditions they have provided to me. So satisfying all the conditions, I have prepared a video. So now I'll show you the video that I have prepared. So this is the video that I have prepared. I have prepared a presentation, and I have assumed someone is sitting in front of me. I am like some fourth grader, fourth standard student is sitting in front of me, and I just thought with the help of the presentation that I made, once it is done, what I did, I uploaded this video in a G Drive. Okay, so all you have to do is you have to open your G Drive. Then on the left side, you will have an option called new file. You have an option called new file upload. Okay, so you have to choose the folder. I mean, you have to choose the video. Then I have to click on open. Once you click open, it will get uploaded. And coming back here, see, you could see the videos like this. So I have saved it inside a folder called demo. So these are okay. Let's consider this one alone. So this is the video that I have uploaded. So if I want to share this link, all I have to do is I have to click on this video first. Then I have to click on share. Then a pop-up will appear. There you have to choose copy link. Okay, but before that you should make sure that and this is selected or not, because there are two options. One is restricted mode, one is anyone with the link. If you share it with restricted link, then you have to provide access, only then they can see. But if you choose anyone with the link, so anyone who has this link can view your video. So you have to choose anyone with the link, then you can copy the link. Okay, so this is how you have to upload, and you should take the link of the video that has been uploaded online. Okay, so now I'll teach you. No, I'll just show you what is the what is the link, or what is the form that you have to fill after this. So you have to fill the form. No, this is the tutorial for uploading G Drive. Let me show you the form also. So okay, I think, yeah, yes. So this is the form, Microsoft form they sent to me. So here I have to fill my first name, last name, the email ID, and the phone number, then the link of the video. Here you have to paste this copied link. After this, you have to click on submit. Once you click on submit, it's over. Okay, your first round is over. Then after that, if they recruit us, we will be called again for the second round. Okay, so this is the second round. Okay, for the second round, it is about panel interview, and this there will be 15 minutes interview and 15 minutes demo. Like, you have to prepare some slides, and you should be ready to teach, assuming the interviewer or demo taker as an student. Okay, so for 15 minutes you have to teach. After 15 minutes you will have 15 minutes where they will post some questions, and I'm really unaware what are the questions that would be asked to me, because my interview was today. Okay, so I'm just recording this video. As you could see, it is 12:20, and I have my interview at 12:30. Okay, so I have to yes, one more thing. Usually Google Meet is the mostly used. Google Meet or Zoom they will use for taking the interviews, but today in 98 percentile they are using Microsoft. Okay, so let me show you that one also. So you have to download this Microsoft Teams software. Only then you can, attend the interview. When you click on the link, it will show you how to use it. You can watch and okay, let me show you. Okay, so this is the link. So it is not like the usual method. It is little different in 90%. And when you click on the link here, you have to click on whether it is for recruiting or whether it is for just a second. Okay, so now the time is 12:23. Okay, so okay, recorded. Okay, so yes, I have an interview at 12:30. So after attending that, I'll just tell you all how it went and how I answered all the questions that have been posted to me. Okay, so before that, let me complete this procedure. So you have to click on the link, then it will take you to this page. In this page, you have to choose appointment. Then here it is recruiting. Okay, since we are under recruitment process, and it will show you the list of recruitments available like math recruitment, sales, coding, IT. So as I have applied personally for math recruitment, I'm just clicking on math recruitment by 98 percentile. After that, you have to choose the timing. It is obvious Indian timing. Then you have to click on set time zone. After that, it will ask you for the date. Okay, so here they informed me like I can choose any date, but unfortunately I have got only 22 enabled, and in that 22 even in 22 I got only 12:30 slot, only one slot. I think it was like that. See here, only one slot is available. Okay, it might be like that. After doing that, I have to click on after that it just asked me some basic informations and then confirmation. Okay, now I cannot do that. If I do that, I even I think my schedule will get changed, so I don't want to take the risk right now. Okay, so yeah, this is how it goes. And yeah, one more thing, you have to see here, you have to click on this link. It will take you to this page. In this page, I have clicked on continue on this browser. Yes, it was working like a Google Meet. And then as it is mentioned to download the app compulsory, and I'm not pretty sure whether sharing is enabled in the browser or not, so I don't want to take the risk. So I just downloaded the Windows app, and this is the app, which something looks like a Zoom. Okay, so yeah, so all we want to do is we just want to open the link, and then we should type our name, and then we should turn on our camera and mic. Then you can just click on join now. If you click on join now, it will show waiting for the waiting for someone to admit you. So after that, once they admit, we can have the interview. Okay, so I'll meet you all after having this interview. Bye bye. Hi, so you could see now the time is 12:59. So I just now completed my interview. It was pretty good. So the interviewer got impressed from my teaching skill. So I'm very, very happy. You could see that in my face. Okay, so they just asked me to give the demo for 15 minutes. Once it is done, actually, I didn't complete my demo. Within that, they just stopped me as they are okay with my teaching style. They just stopped me in around 7 or 8 minutes. Oh. Okay, just give me a second. So it is like it was good. And then um they just asked me to. Okay, so after that, they just asked me some questions like how will I multiply, how will I explain multiplication of two digits numbers, and how will I explain the fraction, and what is a fraction, what is some basic formulas like what is the perimeter of triangle, and what is the perimeter of a rectangle, and how will I explain the subtraction with the help of line chart. Okay, these kind of stuffs they asked, and it was simple, and I just liked it. So yeah, so after this they told me I'll get a call. Still now I didn't get a call. I'll get a call, so they will be explaining. I asked about pay structure. For that they told me that I'll get a call. So after getting the call, I'll just update you about the pay structure and all. So as I have mentioned already, it is about like it is flexible still. I have to work for 8 hours. I don't know whether it is possible. I should work for 4 hours, like fixed to 4 hours in the morning, 3:30 to 7:30 or up to 8:30 according to the requirement. That is more comfortable for me. But in the daytime also I should work for 4 more hours, wherein I'll be assigned with some question preparation, some stuffs like that. I should really think of it after getting the pay structure, because payment is most, it is not most important, but then I have, because if I choose for it, I have to compromise my existing job. So I have to think about it. So yeah, once I get information about the pay structure, I'll update you with. Okay, bye bye.